In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in multiple languages in HubSpot. To get started, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the main navigation. On the left toolbar, you'll see the content icon. Hover your mouse over that icon, and from the options that appear, select Landing Pages. This is where all of your existing landing pages are listed. Find the landing page you want to translate into multiple languages. Hover your cursor over that page and you'll notice a few buttons appear. One of these is labeled Actions. Click on Actions, and in the drop-down menu that opens, choose Create Language Variant. This tells HubSpot that you want to create a translated version of that specific page. A pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, look for the drop-down field labeled Variation Language. Click on that drop-down and select the language you want to create a variant for. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct language, especially if you manage several regions. You'll also see a checkbox on the left side that says Translate using Breeze. Make sure that box is checked so HubSpot can automatically generate the translated content for you. Once everything looks good, click Create and Translate. Now, give it a bit of time to process. Depending on the size and complexity of your page, the translation may take a little while. When it's done, HubSpot will automatically open the new language variant in your page editor. Here, you'll see your page content translated into the language you selected. Go through each section carefully. Automatic translation is a great starting point, but it's always a good idea to refine headlines, buttons, and any region-specific copy so it sounds natural for your audience. If you've created multiple language variants or want to move between them, look at the top left of the editor for the language selector. Click on the drop-down, choose another language, and wait for the page to reload in that language. Again, review the content and adjust it as needed so it matches your brand voice and local terminology. You can repeat this entire process for any other landing pages you want available in multiple languages. Just follow the same steps. Open landing pages, choose the page, create a language variant, and refine the translation. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage multilingual pages in HubSpot.